Guys,
Okay, start.
Assalamu alaikum to our fellow members in the class and to our dear lecturer. Um, my name is Ridwan Sharif Ahmed and my matric number is 012022091625 and I am from group 6 and these are my members in the group. There is Ari Wagasan, Jeffrey, and Bafani. So we have in this presentation two parts. I'm going to start with part A. Next slide, please. I'll be doing the introduction for part A. So we were talking about manufacturing in global view and manufacturing in Malaysia, as in Malaysia's economy. So I'm going to start with manufacturing in a global view. It's all about how products are made on the worldwide scale that involves the production of goods in different countries, taking advantage of resources, labor, expertise from around the world. Global manufacturing entails the creation, marketing, exchange of goods between various nations. Companies collaborate and use resources from different places to make things more efficiently and reach people all over the world. Manufacturing plays a significant role in Malaysia's economy that contributing to job creation and export revenue. Malaysia's strategic location and skilled workforce and supportive government policies have attracted many multinational companies to set up manufacturing facilities in Malaysia. And that's all from me. I'm going to pass it to Bethany.
Next slide.
Yes, Bethany, your part.
All right. Hi, a very good evening to my dear lecturer and my fellow team members. My name is Bhavani and I'll be presenting on the question 1 of part A. Okay, so the loss of manufacturing job is a significant issue for many communities and individuals across the country. Manufacturing jobs are most tradable job in the international market as manufacturing sector can be addressed the major challenges related to the workforce. Loss of manufacturing job will be a big help to the economic growth since advanced technologies or machine will be operating for the new products. It can affect the job of many manufacturers or the workers since advanced technologies are being invented nowadays as human force will be lessened that lead them to unemployment. And manufacturing jobs are considered crucial as the economic contribution, mainly manufacturing industries often make significant contribution to a nation's GDP. Besides that, manufacturing jobs also provide employment opportunities to a large segment of the population, including both skilled and unskilled workers. So these are jobs can be a source of scale income and support local communities, which is manufacturing, loss of manufacturing job. And the next question to Jeffrey will be presenting.
Hi, a very good evening to my dear lecturers and my dear friends. I myself will be presenting for the question 2. Okay, the answer that we have got for the question 2 is, despite having a significant impact on or providing significant assistance to the country's economic growth, the number of unemployment people or job losses is rising as a result of the modern technology that manufacturing enterprise primarily use. Like for example, there are many companies that are no more using people, whereby they are using more machines. In our opinion, the best thing the government can do is to stop job losses is to give these people position in the secondary or tertiary sectors. Besides that, since rehired workers started to accept unemployment even if they pay less, add or create positions for the unemployed. Lastly, government must also lower the interest rate with more affordable credits. Individuals can borrow more money and spend more, which enables business to grow to accommodate the rise in demand, whereby if the rate is decreased, there can be more loan taken by the business owners to begin more companies and it can hire more workers. That's from me. And the next question will be presented by Arivasagan.
Hello, my name is Hari Vasagan. I'll be explaining about the conclusion. The loss of manufacturing job has had profound and far-reaching effect on numerous communities and individuals nationwide. Manufacturing continue to be an important aspect of industry, not just to provide good for marketplace, but also to drive the economy. As manufacturing process continue to advance, so the skill required have also developed with this trend to, to continue in the future. This has triggered social and psychological strain necessitating comprehensive strategies, retaining program, and innovative approaches to rehabilitate effective region. Job loss requires innovation strategy, adaptable skill set, and a collective commitment to fostering resilient, device, and equitable employee opportunities. That's all from me. Now, Bhavani will be explaining about Part B introduction.
Hi, I'm Bhavani. It's again here. I'm going to be present about introduction of HUD. Okay, Malaysia's strategic location, skill, workforce, and supportive government policies have attracted many multinational companies to set up manufacturing facilities in Malaysia. Manufacturing in Malaysia presents a dynamic landscape characterized by diverse industry ranging from electronics and automotive to palm oil and rubber, meaning that nowadays they have enhanced a lot of technologies that which can be giving a very easy task for every human. So the country's strategic location, well-developed infrastructure, and pro-business policies have attracted global investors. So Malaysia's manufacturing sector has contributed significantly to its economic growth, providing employment opportunities and driving technological advancement. Finally, there are challenges such as labor market issue and environmental concerns underscore the need for sustainable practices. For example, in examining the manufacturing landscape in Malaysia, a multifaceted perspective emerged reflecting both opportunities and complexities shaping its industrial future. So the next question one, Ridwan will be presenting. Thank you from my side.
Thank you, Bhavani. So I'm going to be explaining question one. The product life cycle faces change, and so does the operation management strategy. The operation management strategy is centered on the product design, and there are frequent notifications to product and process design during the introduction phase of the product life cycle. In addition, a product's operation management strategy may alter during the course of its life cycle in reaction to new technology. Also, current technology improvements in Malaysia, the operation management strategy may need to be modified to include new technologies like automation or digital platforms in order to increase productivity and efficiency. It all comes down to changing with times and coming up with the creative strategies to boost output. So I'm going to be passing to Ariwaza the next part. Thank you.
Okay, I'll be explaining question 2. Malaysia has made strides in field including digital infrastructure, artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, big data, business analytics, and renewable energy. Malaysia intends to introduce flying automobile. Malaysia may see the release of flying automobile, Internet of Things, LOT. Innovation were expanding in Malaysia. Malaysia is well positioning to ride the LOT wave in web development with appropriate governmental framework, industry engaged, and an emphasis on skill development. The Malaysia government introduced the launch of public sector big data analytic pilot project in that tandem with the big data phenomenon and desire of the government to lead the ICT service. Artificial intelligence, AI, has positive social impact in addition to transforming the Malaysia economy. The AI-powered stethoscope system and the Simulus artificial response and action SARA AI fashion technology was both introduced by Malaysia. According to a recent survey by Workyard, a provider of workforce management software, the new career with most opportunities is an artificial intelligence, AI. That's all from me. Next, Jeffrey will be explaining about the conclusion part.
Good evening again, and I'll be doing on the conclusion. For the conclusion, Malaysia are playing a significant role in the country's economy. With a diverse manufacturing sector and favorable government policies, Malaysia has attracted many multinational companies. For example, they are from Malaysia, they are from overseas, like from India, China, Japan, and stuff like that. Even in Malaysia, we have from different states. Okay, these strategic locations, skilled workforce, and supportive environment have contributed to the growth and development of the manufacturing industry in Malaysia. Malaysia manufacturing have their unique aspect and benefit, which is offered a favorable business environment and access to skilled laborers. Overall, manufacturing in a global view and manufacturing in Malaysia view are interconnected and contributed to the growth and the development of the global economy. It's fascinating to see how companies collaborate and optimize their operations to create products that reach people everywhere. And that's from me. Thank you.
Thank you. Can I stop?
Yes.